I told the Lord to give me a 5 round with some sandals on. I'm in sons that was certified model for overseas.
Was it a religion that made them girls wanna touch all over me? I be splashing in her and she shot me with a water hose. Was it a religion that made a girl wanna touch all over me? I be splashing in her and she shot me with a water hose. You better stop, I'm diving in the shorty. You be flexing if you don't think I got you sorted. She got an ocean in her leg, got an ocean in her leg. You can't stop it because she already here. She be flexing cause it's getting hot in here. I gotta taste the water, I gotta splash it in here. Nigga ain't gotta worry, she ain't going nowhere. They wonder why she changed on them. I be the one that made her bad. Shorty can't explain why she ain't here. Shorty can't explain why she switch up on them. Was it a religion that made them girls wanna touch all over me? I be splashing in her and she shot me with a water hose. Was it a religion that made a girl wanna touch all over me? I be splashing in her and she shot me with a water hose. I think these women go for it's the test that she was one would go. And I'm laying in her lane, but I can't swim. It's a fact that many women would go. I ain't never judged a girl by her cover. Oh, she really good for sex. Keep that shit uncovered. She blessed for no best. I was swimming in her ass. Like an ocean, I can hear the splashing sound in her. Like an ocean, I can hear the splashing sound in her. They was wondering why she was changed. Flexing with me for 100 things. Was it a religion that made them girls wanna touch all over me? I be splashing in her and she shot me with a water hose.